Hello everyone, in this video I will explain about GBA gender-based approach, and then also I will teaching use GBA method. The gender-based approach or GBA focuses on helping students understand how different type of text or genre function in real communications. Every written text, whether a letter, report, advisement, essay, or story, serves a different purpose, follows a particular structure, and uses certain language features. According to Zay and Rizali 2023, the genre-based approach trains learners not just to write correctly, but to write appropriately considering the purpose of the text, the intended audience, and the context in which it used. This means that students don't just learn grammar or vocabulary in isolation, but they learn how language operates as a social tool to achieve real-world communication goals. Now let's move to the implementation. For the first is building the context. The teachers introduce the topic and purpose of the target unit. For example, descriptive text, narrative, or report. Students discuss who writes this kind of text, why, and where it is used, and then modeling the text. The teachers provide example of the genre. Together, the class analyzes its structural language features and vocabulary. And the third is joint constructions of the text. The teachers and students collaborate to create a similar text. The teachers guide students in organizing ideas, choosing words, and using appropriate grammar. And then independent construction of the text. Students independently write their own text using the same genre. The teacher then provide feedback and support for revisions. Okay, for the next is about benefit. There are several benefits. For the first is develop genre awareness. Students learn the purpose and structure of different text types and then build for both reading and writing skills. Learners analyze model and then apply what they learn in writing. And next, encourage contextual learning. Students understand why they write and from whom. And the next is support collaborative learning. Joint writing activities foster from teamwork and share creativity. And the last is promote autonomy. Step-by-step scaffolding helps students gradually gain confidence to write independently. Now let's move to the challenges. There are several challenges like time consuming. The process requires multiple steps and detailed feedback, and then teacher dependent. Successful implementations need skilled teacher who can model and guide effectively. And the third is students' reliance. Learners may depend too much on the teacher during joint contractions. And the last is limit spontaneity. The structure scale may limit free expressions if overused. Okay, for the conclusions. The gender-based approach helps students become purposeful and confident writers by understanding that every text has a specific structure, audience, and goal. It breeds reading and writing, so it learns how to move from comprehension to production. By guiding students through modeling, joint writing, and independent practice, CBA transforms the writing classroom into a space of exploration, creativity, and real communications. When applied consistently, it not only improves learners' writing performance but also empowers them to read critically, write effectively, and express ideas with a clear clarity and confidence.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today we are going to learn about descriptive text, one of the most common genre in academic writing. Can you tell me what do we usually describe in academic writing?
I think people,
Right?
places, or buildings, and object.
Exactly. Today we will describe something we all know, our university building. Alright? This I have a short take. Can anyone read this text?
Me, miss.
Right?
The university library is a modern three-story building with glass walls. It has quiet study rooms, bright lights, and peaceful atmosphere. Students often spend hours reading and researching there.
Alright, thank you, Alia. Let's look the structures. The first sentence introduces the building. The next sentence describes details like size, color, and functions. Now let's write a short paragraph together. What if we describe the English cafe? What words can we use to describe it?
Large. Drink, cheap, or delicious.
Alright, now you can write this sentence, please. Have you finished?
Yes.
Alright. Maybe Nazwaito, please read.
The English cafe is large and bright. Many students eat lunch and talk with friends there. The food is cheap and delicious.
Good, you use adjective words, bright, delicious. That's perfect for a descriptive text. Now it's your turn. Write one short sentence describing your favorite place on campus. Have you finished?
Finish.
Yes.
Alright. You can read the result. Maybe Altia.
Pustaka Cafe is very spacious and comfortable. Many people study and do their assignment there.
Okay, thank you, Alia. You very good. You write your sentence. And now, let's wait till, please.
Kopma is very spacious and has many food choices. The prices are very affordable.
Great. Remember all. Start with the name of the place. Use adjective and keep your descriptions clear. Alright, thank you for today and see you.
See you. Thank you.
Maybe that's all from me. Explain about GBA method and the teaching use GBA method.